Hey, what's up everybody? So about 2 years ago I put a bed extender on my Toyota Tundra here, and it's been putting in a lot of work. This is a couple pictures from a trip that we took to Santa Maria. There are 3 bikes in the bed. We've got a Stark Varg, a KX65, and my 150R, as well as all of our gear, a generator, chairs, you name it. And in those 2 years I've come up with some shortfallings that I'd like to address, and we can get this dialed in. The first major issue, which I called out in the original video, was that I didn't really love the straps that retained the extender into the tailgate clips. The material is so stretchy that you have to pull this thing ultra tight for it to even do anything, and it sitting out in the weather, it becomes super brittle. Also, the little plastic buttons that integrate with the tailgate are small enough that you can actually pull them out if you give it enough force. So I'm just going to cut these off. So I jumped on Amazon and I got some of these soft tie-down extensions. I went to Home Depot and picked up some of these spring links. They're roughly 7mm, which is just the perfect size to fit into the latch for the tailgate here. So the next upgrade is actually going to be the pins that hold the extender into the brackets. I actually left the 2 pins on the bumper, found one still sitting there. I replaced them with some larger pins. These are 3/16 pins, so I did have to drill out the holes to get those to fit. But they still have the same issue where I can pull them out and leave them on the bumper. So I found these pins that have a locking button as well as a leash. I like that you have to push the button in to actually get these to release, so it makes me feel a little bit more secure that these aren't just going to pop out. So just going to put a little hole in our bracket here. And deburr it really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and rivet in the leash now. I really need to add a rivet tool to my Christmas list for next year. This one is atrocious. But now I've got captive pins and I don't have to worry about leaving them on my bumper anymore. And those are the real quick upgrades I did to my extender here, and I'm pretty sure they could work on almost any bed extender. We've got captive pins that aren't coming out, as well as better hold downs that aren't going to get sloppy and loose on me. I know that was a little bit of a short one, but thanks for hanging out in the garage. I'll see you on the next one.